So now that I have my album cover in and maybe my voiceover or title, and if I had that, once again, the album cover stretched out, what I can do is I have a little space here. If I wanted to, I could have an opening or closing sound effect. Now I can record that sound, I can find that sound. Okay, but under here, under audio, you have different types of sound effects you can search for. You'll see some little things like this, and you could bring them in if you want, and you could also add them to the end. You can see how some are long and you may need to trim them up. I'd say I wanted to get it in there to match, get it in there to match that. So now when I play, I have a heartbeat that opens up and then it goes into my narration. And if I wanted a closing sound effect, I could have that too. And don't forget about double clicking your sound effects and coming here and adding your fade out if you want to as well.